What if I told you one of the ocean's most fascinating creatures has the ability to vanish in plain sight, hypnotize its prey, and solve puzzles like a mastermind? Meet the cuttlefish, a master of survival, armed with incredible abilities that seem almost too strange to believe. Cuttlefish may look like harmless little creatures, but they have some of the most mind-blowing survival tools in the ocean. For starters, they can change their entire appearance in the blink of an eye, blending into the background like a living optical illusion. And it's not just color. Cuttlefish can also mimic the texture of their surroundings, morphing their skin to look like rocks, coral, or sand. Their specialized cells, called chromatophores for color and papillae for texture, allow them to create transformations that make them practically invisible in their environment. Cuttlefish don't just hide in plain sight, they can also hypnotize their prey. Using specialized cells called chromatophores, they create rippling waves of color and light across their skin. This reflective display distracts and confuses their prey, giving the illusion of flashing lights. The visual spectacle stuns smaller fish, crabs, or shrimp, causing them to freeze just long enough for the cuttlefish to strike. Before the prey knows what's happening, it's already caught in the cuttlefish's lightning-fast tentacles. And while they can't see color the way we do, cuttlefish have a superpower. They can detect polarized light, allowing them to hunt even in murky waters with pinpoint accuracy. It's like having X-ray vision in the ocean. Despite the name, cuttlefish aren't actually fish. They belong to the Cephalopod family, making them close relatives of squid and octopus. These creatures are found in coastal regions, particularly in the Mediterranean Sea, the Eastern Atlantic, and the Indo-Pacific region. Cuttlefish are typically found at depths of up to 200 meters, 650 feet. But they can be spotted in shallower waters, especially during their breeding season. While they may look alien, they're not a threat to humans, just mesmerizing to watch. If you're amazed by creatures like the cuttlefish and its incredible survival skills, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more strange and mysterious wonders to uncover. Now back to how the cuttlefish uses its brilliant camouflage to evade predators. And when things don't go their way, cuttlefish have another incredible escape mechanism. They can blast away using jet propulsion. By forcefully expelling water, they can shoot through the water at impressive speeds to evade predators. If that's not enough, they release a cloud of ink behind them to create a smokescreen, just like their relative, the octopus. But here's something you probably didn't know. Their ink was once used by artists to create sepia-toned drawings and writing, a practice that goes back centuries. Today, their ink is even used in culinary dishes around the world, adding a rich flavor to dishes like risotto and pasta. This incredible creature literally leaves its mark on both nature and human culture. Cuttlefish have a short life cycle, living around 1 to 2 years, but they are prolific breeders. A single female can lay up to 100 to 300 eggs at a time. The female typically deposits her eggs in hidden areas, such as in rocky crevices or undersea plants, providing them with some protection from predators. The eggs are encased in a protective jelly. Once the eggs hatch, baby cuttlefish called cutlets are fully formed and independent from birth. Unfortunately, only a small fraction of these cutlets, around 1%, survive to adulthood due to predation. Still, the species continues to thrive thanks to their incredible reproduction rate. And here's a fact that'll make your jaw drop. Cuttlefish have not one but 3 hearts pumping blue blood throughout their bodies. While one heart keeps their brain and body functioning, the other 2 send blood to their gills. With one of the most advanced nervous systems among invertebrates, cuttlefish can control both color and texture with incredible precision, allowing them to evade predators and hunt prey with unmatched skill. Oh, and here's the wild part. Cuttlefish have been honing these skills for over 500 million years, predating even the dinosaurs. Nature didn't make them big, but it sure made them brilliant. Thought you've seen it all? Think again. Dive into the bizarre, the mysterious, and the unknown, from the ocean depths to the far reaches of the earth. Hit that subscribe button, stay curious, and discover more strange and unbelievable wonders of our world. And now you know, stay curious.